Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best glucose meter kit with test strips currently available on the market. The GLUCO Care Glucose Meter and Test Kit. Whether you're managing diabetes or simply monitoring your sugar levels for better health, this device is built with precision, convenience, and user-friendliness in mind. Let's begin with the design. The GLUCO Care Meter comes in a sleek white body that doesn't just look good, it's built for practicality. The large, clear display makes it extremely easy to read, even for seniors or those with impaired vision. The big, tactile buttons are also thoughtfully designed for ease of use. So, if you're tired of squinting at tiny screens or fumbling with complicated buttons, this device has you covered. Next, accuracy and speed, two crucial factors in glucose monitoring. This meter delivers results in just 5 seconds. Yes, 5. That's incredibly fast, which means no more long waits and anxious moments. And more importantly, it's accurate. The GLUCO Care system uses auto-coding technology, which eliminates human error during test strip insertion, ensuring that every reading you get is dependable and precise. Let's talk about comfort. The kit only requires a tiny 5 microliter blood sample. That small size makes pricking your finger less painful and helps preserve skin over time. Plus, thanks to alternate site testing, you're not limited to just your fingertips. You can also test from other spots, giving your fingers a break without compromising results. This isn't just a meter, it's a complete monitoring solution. Inside the kit, you get the OneCare glucose meter itself, a lancing device with adjustable depth settings, 10 ultra-thin 30G lancets. A convenient carry case for on-the-go use, 2 AAA batteries, a detailed user manual, and a logbook for tracking your readings over time. Everything you need is included right out of the box, no additional purchases necessary. A particularly smart feature is the auto-eject strip function. After each test, you can eject the used strip without touching it. This is especially helpful in reducing contamination and maintaining hygiene. It's a small touch that shows how much thought has gone into the design of this product. It also stores up to 500 readings. That's more than enough for weeks or even months of data, making it easier to track trends and share insights with your healthcare provider. Whether you're newly diagnosed, supporting a loved one, or a caregiver managing patient care, this memory function adds real value. One more important point. The meter is part of GLUCO Care's highly rated monitoring range, and it shows. It blends performance and modern design in a way that makes it not just a medical device, but a dependable part of your daily routine. In summary, the GLUCO Care Glucose Meter and Test Kit stands out as the best glucose monitoring solution available. It's fast, reliable, easy to use, and fully equipped. Whether you're young or old, tech-savvy or not, this kit adapts to your needs seamlessly. If you're in the market for a trustworthy and affordable glucometer, this is the one to beat. For those in India and beyond, it's available on Amazon, so check the link in the description to learn more or order yours today. That's it for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed reviews on the best products out there. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.